Choosing the wrong garden hose can lead to frustrating leaks, wasted water, and even damaged plants. Imagine battling a tangled mess while your garden suffers from inconsistent watering. Don't let this happen to you. Hi there, and welcome to Flora's Garden Guide. In this channel, we combining AI-driven insights with expert gardening knowledge, we deliver the best advice to help your garden thrive. Let's start with the types of hoses. Rubber hoses are durable and resistant to kinks, but they're heavier and more expensive. Vinyl hoses are lightweight and affordable, but they can kink and crack over time. Stainless steel hoses are extremely durable and resistant to rust, but they're less flexible and more costly. Additionally, consider expandable hoses, which are lightweight and easy to store. They expand when filled with water and contract when empty, making them great for small spaces but less durable for heavy-duty use. When choosing a hose, consider the length, diameter, and flexibility. A longer hose may be necessary for large gardens, but remember, the longer the hose, the lower the water pressure. A standard 5/8-inch diameter is ideal for most tasks, offering a good balance between water flow and pressure. Flexibility is also crucial. Too rigid, and it's hard to maneuver. Too flexible, and it might kink easily. Don't forget to consider the water pressure your hose needs to handle. For high-pressure tasks, ensure the hose is rated for a higher PSI to prevent bursting. Pay attention to the hose fittings. Brass fittings are the most durable and provide a reliable connection, while plastic ones might not last as long. Also, don't forget to store your hose properly. Coil it up after each use and keep it out of the sun to prolong its life. For those who frequently use their hose, consider investing in a hose reel or caddy. These accessories make it easier to store the hose neatly, reducing wear and tear. Additionally, during winter, drain the hose and store it indoors to prevent damage from freezing temperatures. Choose the right garden hose for your needs and keep your garden thriving. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more gardening tips.